Our goal with nPower Girls is to put professional STEM women in front of young women so that they can have an opportunity to see what they can be. Currently, only about 28% of STEM careers are held by women, and that number hasn't changed a lot in the last decade. We get a lot of students from rural communities that often don't have after-school STEM programs or summer school STEM programs. So we start out our year of nPower by having students talk about what their interests are, what career pathways interest them, and then we go out and find mentors from those fields. So this allows them to build a little social capital and learn about some non-traditional fields that women typically don't enter into unless they have a mentor or that little extra boost of really understanding what that field looks like. So here in the Columbia River Gorge, aerospace and drone technology is really prevalent in industry. So we work with companies that manufacture and operate drones and various drone technologies. We picked this age range specifically because of the high school and beyond planned in Washington. So by the time students are in 8th grade, we want them to be thinking about what their high school pathway is going to be looking like, but have we really given them the opportunity to see all those pathways and experience some of that work for themselves? Girls have fun in this program. They genuinely enjoy meeting these women. They genuinely enjoy talking with each other. They love solving problems. They love feeling as though they're contributing to something that's authentic and enjoy themselves in science and engineering.